let's see. Let's go off the record for a moment. Okay, Rose,
you are there.
Hello. This is the interpreter.
Okay, Madam Interpreter, can you please turn your
Sure, please give me a
video
moment.
on?
Yeah.
I'll disconnect the call.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Okay, I don't know what that background noise is there, but we're going to have that. There's somebody else talking.
No, that was the language service line. One of my supervisor. So they asked me to get into the meeting for Burmese clients. I just get into the the meeting. Is he available now or?
Yes. So, counsel, would you like me to put you in a breakout room with your client and the interpreter?
Yes, please, Judge.
Okay, so that's going to be breakout room 1. Let Patricia know that there's a resolution, and so we would probably have to do a PSI right now since we already have the interpreter. I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know what that I don't know where that's coming from. Madam Interpreter, is that coming from your area? Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes. Okay, can you ask Mr. Kang if he can close the door there?
Okay.
I close it. Yes.
It is closed.
Just close it, the door.
I don't know.
The carpet, you know?
Yes, I did.
Can you turn the volume down?
Why?
Volume temp.
Okay.
I need to ask the police. I think the song, they want us to volume down or
volume down.
Good morning, Deputy. There's a reverberation coming back through, so I think that maybe it may be a little too loud in there.
It's too loud.
Is that better? I'm sorry. We had a pipe burst this morning. We had a flood, and it was in this area. So things are. It's been an interesting morning.
Yes.
Yeah, I can imagine. Okay, so
how's that?
I think that's better, but we'll try it. Okay, thank you. All right, we are going to go on the record in the matter of the City of Riverview versus Lie Thing 231840A and B. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Judge Danny Batty, appearing on behalf of
Okay, I'm going to need you to speak directly in the microphone and as loud as possible so they can hear you.
Good morning again.
Closer to the microphone.
Attorney Danny Batty, appearing on behalf of Mr. Fang, it's P84624, and I'm standing in on behalf of the attorney of record, Andrew.
All right, thank you. And Madam Interpreter, can you please state and spell your name for the record?
My first name is R.O. My last name is L-I-A-N. And then my interpreter ID 132318. Can you hear me?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, and Miss Lan, how do you pronounce your last name?
Oh, Tang. T-A.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry, ma'am. How do you pronounce your last name?
L-I-A-N, Leanne.
Leanne. Okay. All right. So, Madam Interpreter, can you please raise your right hand You solemnly swear or affirm and promise to transfer accurately and honestly from English to Burmese and Burmese to English to the best of your ability.
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you. You may lower your hand. So council, we'll each have to speak slowly and in sections, so Ms. Leanne can translate. Okay?
Understood.
What I'd like to do really is mute the jail while we're talking and your client is not. Okay? Mr. Thane, your name, please.
Lai Rom Lien Thang.
Okay. There's no talking in court. If you have to talk, go out into the lobby, please. Yes, the two in the back. If you have to talk, you can go out into the lobby, okay, please? Okay, so I'm going to mute Mr. Tang while there's talking outside of Mr. Tang needing to speak, but Madam Interpreter, I'm going to have you still interpret, okay?
The defendant speak English very well. I will only translate when he doesn't understand. So yeah, he will raise his hand or, he will ask you a question if he doesn't understand. He pretty much understand English very well.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, for right now, I'm going to mute you, Mr. Tang, for a moment. Do you understand all that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. That way, at least we can get through some of it without the reverberation. All right. And so, council, today is the date scheduled for the pretrial in this matter. And there's been a resolution.
That is correct, Judge. Our understanding is that in exchange for a plea of guilty to operating while visibly impaired, the original count of operating while intoxicated would be dismissed, as well as the civil infraction for the preliminary breath test refusal would be dismissed as well.
Tuပြောတာကြားနိုင်တယ်နော်အဲ့ဒါတော့ဘာသာပြန်ဖို့မလိုဘူးနော်သူပြောတာကြားနိုင်လား
Can you hit unmute or no? We have to maybe wait the 30 seconds. Okay. And he's unmuted. So what was that, Madam Interpreter?
He cannot hear us.
Yeah, I can hear right now. Yeah.
Okay, he can hear us right now.
Okay. And so, Mr. Tate, you heard what your attorney placed on the record?
I wasn't here because his voice very low.
Okay, so I'm going to repeat in summary what he indicated. That you're going to be pleading to an amended charge of operating while visibly impaired, and the other two matters will be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
True.
All right, as to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired by alcohol, how do you plead?
Tuပြောတာကြား
Yes, Your Honor.
And interpreter, can you please interpret for Mr. Kane?
He said yes, Your Honor. He understands.
Okay, so my question was, as to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired by alcohol, how do you plead?
ကြားနိုင်လား
ဘာ
ကျ
ပြော
မ
ရ
လည်း
တော့
ကြားနိုင်ဘူးနော် Your voice is
How I
in and
plea?
out. We cannot hear you, Your Honor.
How I-
We cannot hear you very well.
Okay, I'm never been accused of being quiet, but okay. Let me try it again.
Can I? Yeah, it's a
Do
lot
you-
of background noise. We cannot hear you very well.ကြားနိုင်လား
Can you
I
repeat
understand.
again, Your Honor?
Okay, so this is problematic because of all the reverberation from the jail.
Can we try?
Yes.
The interpreter while you're talking.
No, it's the jail. That's where it's coming from. But every time I unmute, we have to wait another 30 seconds because he doesn't have the remote himself. So I guess we'll just have to do it that way. Sir, as to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired by alcohol, how do you plead? Hold on until you're unmuted, just a moment.
Okay. ခုနကတော့သူပြောတာကြားနိုင်လား ပြောတာကြားနိုင်တော့မသိ
အေးပြဘာသာပြန်ပေးပါအောင်သူဘယ်လိုဘာပြောရတော့
အော်အဲ့ဒီအခုနတော့ငါတဲ့ခမရဒီအမှုနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ဘောနော်ဇုနတင်နာအကုန်ခါအတုခါဇေရောငါတာ
Madam Interpreter, excuse me, Madam Interpreter. I can't have the two of you having a conversation. Whatever he just said to you, you now have to say directly to me.
Okay. He said I am asking if he can hear you very well, Your Honor. We cannot hear you guys because of the connection problems, Your Honor. I cannot hear you very well, so I think I will excuse myself to let me go because of accuracy and the professionalism. I don't think that I can do this morning. I am so sorry, Your Honor. I cannot hear you guys very well.
No. That is not how that works. You are here to provide a service to the court for translating. So,
Yes, Your Honor.
you need to stay until you're excused.
I cannot
We've
hear
already
you guys.
adjourned. Then please adjust your volume on your headset.
It does not work, Your Honor. I am so sorry, Your Honor. Please excuse me. Or
No,
I am.
I am not excusing you from these proceedings.
I cannot hear you guys, Your Honor. So I am not able to translate very well. If I cannot hear you, this is technology.
Then find another device to utilize for your sound.
Your Honor,
Can you hear me better now?
I cannot hear you guys, Your Honor. Please excuse me to let me go.
No,
because I don't want.
No. Please get a different device. Can you hear me now?
I will try my best.
Try another device. Bless you. Can you hear me now, Miss Leanne?
Yes, please give me one moment, Your Honor. let's try one more time. I think it's better, but I am not sure if it's still going through very well.
Ma'am, can you hear me, Miss Leanne? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, yes.
So I don't know what the problem is, because earlier you didn't have an issue hearing me. So I don't know what the problem may be, but we've already adjourned this matter for a month so that we could find a Burmese interpreter. So I'm not going to excuse you. We are going to continue with these proceedings. Can you hear all of that?
I can hear that, yes.
Okay, very good. So we're going to try this again. As to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired by alcohol, sir, how do you plead?
Your Honor, this is this question you asked the defendant, right?
Yes.
Okay. 怎么表達將嚟啦？個學你提扣嘛？
We have to wait for him to unmute.
Can you hear me, defendants? Can you hear me?
Yes. 잘하네.
Okay,
Yes.
you can hear me? Okay, yes. ဟုတ်တယ် အခုနာတော့က judge ပြောတဲ့ဟာကပေါ့နော်အတူအချင်းမိခါအတူအေကပတ်နတိမီဟိနထိတ်ချင်မောစိတ်တစီတဲ့နထိတ်ကိုin မိရန်ကိုရင်ရက်ချင်ကြ Yes, I'm done. Your Honor.
You're done with what?
I am done with telling him what you tell him. I am not
Yan
sure
đâu đó
if you can you hear me, defendants? 怎麼表達將嚟啦
ကြားပါတယ်
Okay, I can hear you, Your Honor.
That's great. I'm still waiting for the answer as to how Mr. Tang pleads to the operating while visibly impaired by alcohol. Do you plead guilty or not guilty?
I'm guilty, Your Honor. I'm guilty, Your Honor.
I am guilty, Your Honor. That is his answer.
Okay. Sir, you signed your advice of rights, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
And you understood all of those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by entering into a plea that you will be waiving your right to a trial?
Yes.
Do you also understand the possible penalties as a result of your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And those penalties could be in this court, any other court, or administrative agency. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
You also could have some citizenship issues. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or immigration issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing all of that, do you still want to continue with your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Tang, do you understand everything that's happening right now?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Please tell me what is happening right now.
I'm playing my
What is that?
I'm
sir?
agreeing whatever you said. that could happen, affect my immigration or whatever it is. And yeah, I understand all this, what you said, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you agree or not that your client understands all of his rights?
I would agree that my client understands all his rights, Judge.
Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way for you to enter into a plea today?
Mr. Tang, tu piora ka bale su ye no de kamya ka bono vei lo ke ma kamo kapal tia chim dingin mi dang ni an chim na mo ti mi pa se mo nang ma nam mo na pal ti mi kha nai take mi da si ti mi se
Can we think about it? Can we think about it?
no, I know myself guilty. Nobody advised me.
Okay. Counsel? Do you want the court to do the voir dire for the factual basis, or do you want to do that?
If you wouldn't mind, Judge, I prepared him for every question that you're going to ask.
Okay. And sir, on July 22nd, 2023, were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Riverview?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prior to driving, did you consume alcoholic beverages?
Yes, Your Honor.
What did you have to drink prior of an alcoholic nature prior to driving?
Can you repeat again, please?
What alcoholic beverages did you drink before you got in the car and drove?
I do not remember how much I had, but I had some beers. Bud Light, I had some, yeah, Bud Light, but I don't know how many beers I had.
Okay. And did drinking those beers cause you to drive in a bad way?
Will you please repeat, Your Honor?
Did your drinking the beers cause you to drive a vehicle without turning your headlights on?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you stipulate to a 0.13 for the alcohol content?
For purposes of the plea, Judge, we do stipulate.
Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, the court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. We will schedule this matter for sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor. Please give me a few minutes to translate that. Oh, Mr. Tang, atu na achim ni kana tu kama. Atu ka adi jang kan tila tu atu lolo se tu adi jang I. Napal mi zong na thay volunteering na to mi si I. Atu napal mi zong ka matijun sentence an sianak cha country schedule and sweep yak chan na ti mi de kachiman tu na. I am
Yeah.
done, Your Honor.
Okay, we will schedule this matter for sentencing on October
23rd.
25th. At 10:30 a.m. Does that work for you, counsel?
It will work, Judge.
Bond and conditions are continued. And I have our probation department on the screen. They were on the screen.
I'm calling her.
Okay. So that I can place you in a breakout room for the pre-sentence investigation.
Okay, ako mi kana tema atu kaju probation officer te heti bechim nakka asilai ma di kajon breakout room danga kan an kan set phan lai ma dan tat nak atu ni kan dan tat nak ti mi jo zaidan atu la akar la ka ti mi chim nak kan ma ni kan probation officer ni kan an tu piak la.
Okay.
I'm done, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to put you the two of you and my probation officer in a breakout room so that you can help translate, ma'am, if necessary.
Sure, Your
for
Honor.
the pre-sentence investigation.
Okay. Breakout room akan kal chang la mo ka join chang la mati chung probation officer ko he kan hi ton khan la.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a good day. Off the record.
Judge, I just have one question, just as to the appearance. Is he gonna be brought in Zoom again, for the sentencing?
I presume so.
And, for, Mr. Hubbs will be back. It's his, appearance in person.
Yes. Somebody in person is helpful, but that was rough.
Your patience is great. Have a great day, Judge.
Okay, thank you. You too. Okay.